At your company name, leadership means innovation, sustainability, and empowerment.
Put the blue ones in the HDPE bin.
Got it. How about the broken red one?
That goes to shredding.
Bring it straight back, watch the height. Okay, set it down right there.
Watch the forklift, clear the path. We're almost clear. Keep the line moving.
Strict safety and environmental standards guide every step of our plastic chair scrap collection and sorting process.
Ensure the purity of the HDPE stream. We need to divert the mixed plastics.
Did you catch the metal on this one?
Yeah, almost missed it.
Keep an eye out for those screws.
Thorough cleaning and inspection ensure only the highest quality plastic is used for chair production.
Make sure the green ones are separated properly.
I know, I see a blue one there. We need this ready for the molding team.
Safety and sustainability are paramount during the sorting and cleaning process.
Precise temperature control is critical to maintain material quality and consistency. Quality control ensures the raw material meets strict manufacturing standards.
Every component is rigorously inspected to ensure quality and durability.
Safety is paramount in our high-precision molding operations. Efficient workflow management ensures timely production and quality control.
This batch looks good. The stitching is perfect on these red ones.
Efficient logistics ensure timely delivery to customers worldwide.
Safety and sustainability are integral to our packaging and distribution.
Go ahead, take a seat. They are surprisingly comfortable and incredibly durable.
Wow, it is sturdy. I really like the matte finish too.
Easy now, watch the height, pull forward just a bit more.
All right, chaining it down now. Got the strap. Looks good. Bring the next one around.
Every chair you purchase supports a greener, more sustainable future.
I love that they're made from recycled materials and they fit perfectly in my studio.
These chairs are not only sustainable, but also incredibly comfortable.
We absolutely love these new chairs.
They look great, and the fact that they're recycled is a huge bonus.
Our journey is rooted in craftsmanship, innovation, and respect for the environment.
Every chair tells a story, Cattlinger, of passion, precision, and sustainability.
I've had this chair for years and it holds up great. Super comfortable too.
Yeah. They look wonderful in the park, and knowing they're recycled makes me very happy.
Together, we're shaping a sustainable future. Eclusti, one recycled chair at a time.
Innovation drives the future of sustainable chair manufacturing.
This view really clarifies the spatial layout.
Absolutely, much better than the flat screen model.
We can run the safety protocol simulation now.
As the day ends, our commitment to quality and sustainability shines brighter than ever.
Every chair we create is a testament to passion, precision, and environmental responsibility.
It's surprisingly comfortable. The design is excellent, but the support is what really sells it.
At your company name, we believe in more than just making chairs. We believe in making a difference. As a woman-led company,